welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, welcome. The main theme of my channel is adulting in progress, where I take you through things I'm currently going through or things I've already been through and how I'm adulting my way through them. Today, it is the first Tuesday of the month. Hopefully this went up on Tuesday. Oh, I hope it didn't jinx it. This is the first Tuesday of the month, and every first Tuesday, you know what we do, a budget recap to see how we did with our expenses. And sometimes it's good and sometimes it's not, okay? So let's do a deep dive into that, and let's get in to see how I did, what I spent my money on, how y'all think I did before we get started. If y'all seen me on my other ones, how y'all think I did? What do you think is my most expensive line item? Let me know. All right, so basically I create all of my budgets in Google Sheets. I do have a video on how to create a budget in Google Sheets on my first budget recap that I made and how I created this budget as well. And then it details all the categories that I have and what is included in those. I will link that up here so you can go and watch that if you are wondering how we got here, okay? All right, so starting out, eating out. Y'all know this is my biggest thing majority of the time, eating out. I, try to be real humble. March was my birthday month, and I said I was only gonna spend $50 on eating out. However, like some other people, I did receive a stimulus payment from the government, so some of that went to food. All right, so I predicted to spend $50 on that. I ended up spending almost 200, okay? Gifts, this includes gifts for myself that I bought myself, and then also gifts that I bought for other people. So I predicted to spend $30, I spent $22. There's that. Self-care, I projected to spend $125. I spent $59, which is not terrible, okay? I'll take it. And then my home, I spent exactly the amount that I was going to spend because I did the math, basically. So yeah, that is my rent and my renter's insurance as well. For my transportation, I plan to spend $580. I spent $810 this month. Biggest difference is I had to pay my car registration. It was due in April, but since we got that little extra help from the government, I just went on and paid bills. That's what I did. All y'all memes for the stimulus check, hilarious. He said, how much is it for the rest of the alphabet? Tell them I want to speak to the king, okay? How much are the French fries? I said the franchise, okay? Funny, hilarious. However, I just, paid my card registration and paid off some debt. That's pretty much all I did. But entertainment, $15. I did not end up going to the comedy show. I did buy the 4-pack of tickets for the Keep Your Distance comedy show, so that'll probably show up on this one for these next few shows. For pets, spent exactly what I thought I was gonna spend. Gang. We are getting better, people. We are getting better, okay? Utilities, expected to spend $449. Expected to spend $667. Only spent $449. I don't know where that gap is. I'm not gonna lie to you. $218 less. It's good. I put all my transactions on here, so I don't really know. If I figure it out while I'm editing, then I will insert a clip of me telling you what that is. Travel, I don't go anywhere. Haven't been anywhere. Debt, paid $60 more than I was expecting to pay down my debt. We are on a journey to be debt free, so that's good. Shopping, okay, y'all. Yes, did I spend $149 more on food? Yes, but I didn't buy the shoes that I wanted, really, because I didn't win any of the sneaker releases, and I just refused to pay $400 for shoes that were $180 10 minutes ago on the sneakers app or GOAT or any of those things. But I only spent $71. That's good. Groceries and household, okay, look, y'all. Last month I mentioned that I was going to be trying out HelloFresh to see if it helps me save money on groceries and household, because I go to the grocery store less because they give me 3 meals whenever I do it. And I've been setting it up for every other week, and it saved me in the month of March $26. Again, should I probably have also not eaten out? Yes, but we're trying, okay? Subscriptions and apps was 56. It ended up being 69. I bought a new app. I think, I subscribed to Facetune 2 this month to help with my pictures. Follow me on Instagram, okay? I'm trying to step up my Instagram game. Let me know what y'all think of my new pictures, the layout. I'll be like out here. And I take all the pictures myself. All the pictures on my Instagram are taken by me, okay? And edited by me. And I feel like I'm doing pretty well. So I decided to invest in that. So I think that's one of the main differences for that. And then offering, look at that, y'all. We out here. So that was March. So basically I planned to spend $5,048. I ended up spending $5,153. So a difference of $105. But if you know where we've come from, 105 is good to be where we're at. Because I feel like y'all ain't celebrating with me on the level that y'all should be celebrating with me, because I feel like I did good in the month of March. And we only gonna get better from here, because now it's not my birthday month. So I feel like we can do better. I just really need to like not be lazy and cook. That's what this tells me. Not be lazy and cook, and you could have had $149 in your pocket still. Now let's get into April and projecting for April. Okay, so for April, I basically kept all of the numbers the same, but I might modify a few of them. Eating out, I'm gonna bump it up to 75. I wanted to say 50, but I'm gonna bump it up to 75. I'm gonna give myself $25 and I'm trying to come underneath it, okay? We're gonna leave it. When it comes to gifts, my lovely mother's birthday is in the month of April. So we will be getting her a gift. Again, like I told y'all at Christmas, me and my sister are a unit. We do half and half. We might as well be twins. If you get something from one, you get something from both of us. It's gonna be split in half, okay? So we're gonna just do let's do 125. Let's do 125. Self-care, we'll leave at 125. Home, we're gonna leave that right there. Transportation should go back down to $580 because I paid my registration. Also, y'all, my car insurance went down. All right, entertainment, 15. I'm gonna bump this up to 40 because the 4-pack was $40. So we're just gonna bump it up to 40, and then you get 4 shows for that price. Pets should still be $159. We shouldn't really see anything different with that. Utilities at $667. I'm gonna leave it at $667. Because I don't really know why it came so under $449. Again, if I find out, I'll do it in my editing. Travel, this is for April. Okay, yes. I have a vacation planned for May, but I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing because vaccines, travel policies, travel restrictions, so many things to consider now when you're going on vacation. Oh my gosh, it's so much. Debt, we'll still leave it at $700. Shopping, honestly, to buy things for myself, we'll leave it at 100, just in case. Grocery and household, we'll leave it 400. Subscriptions and apps, we'll upgrade it to now, what is that, 69? 69, so we'll upgrade it back to, we'll upgrade it to $70 and then go from there. Offering, we're gonna up that to as well. I think there's 5. We're gonna up that by 20. Okay, so the month of April is a little different. So for me, I work full-time jobs. I also do DoorDash, and actually recently I just started Instacart on the side to make more money because, as I said, we're on a journey to be debt-free. The only way to be debt-free is to pay down your debt. The only way to pay down your debt is to use your money to pay down debt, okay? The only way to use more money is to have more money. I'm just saying it's a lot. That's all I'm saying. Being an adult is a lot. That's all I'm saying. It's very expensive, and nobody tells you about these things. When you ask for stuff when you're a kid, you don't think about the price and how much it costs. Now you want to buy stuff for yourself, and you're just like, yeah, maybe not. I think we're doing better, guys. I do. I feel better. I am definitely more conscious about swiping my card at a restaurant, food, and eating out. I'm definitely way more mindful about it. We will be back at the beginning of May. Also, it is 4 months into 2021. Who, what, when, where, how? Okay, so we'll check back in May, see how I did. But if you like this video or videos like this, Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any tips, tricks for me about budgeting, if you want to have any questions for me about what I do, how I stay accountable, all this other stuff. Main reason I stay accountable is because of y'all, not gonna lie. And then comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I mean, Jasmin Chronicles, come on, join us, please. I love making content for y'all, so I hope that you enjoy the content that I make. But we will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful people.